This is Ice Cream Gecko, and in today's video we are going to take a look at an amenity kit from Turkish Airlines given out on a flight from Bangkok to Istanbul. This is one of a series of kits. They had different motifs here. It's, I guess, a collaboration with UNESCO, and this one here is pristine and unopened. It does have the Turkish Airlines writing and the bird on here on the zipper. Opens on two sides, sewn here on the bottom, and here it's just one piece colored differently. I have personally never received one of these kits. I have been given this one, and I'm very grateful that I have been given this one, because otherwise, since I don't really plan on doing too many long distance flights, I wouldn't have gotten one anytime soon. So let's take the scissors and open this thing here. I don't think you have to take the scissors to open it. I mean, are you having scissors on the airplane? Not too many times are you having scissors on the airplane, right? Let's zip this open, take a peek inside. Okay, we have got, what's this, sleeping mask? Wow, brown sleeping mask. Okay, it's a bit thin, yeah. We have got socks. Amazing. Stopper socks. Anti-slip socks. Yes. Also a bit thin, but nice. Let's see how they are. Then we have earplugs. What does it say? Mixed packaging. Keep away from children. Then we have Miradent toothpaste. Professional prophylaxis. Silicon dioxide. Was this one? Okay, I don't know what this one was. It's from Germany. Wow, look at that. Hagerwerken.de. I've never heard of that brand. That's interesting. Let's zoom out again. Then we have a toothbrush in its little tip case here. Looks nice. And now the big thing. Those are, I guess, the slippers. Yes, so now I have finally some new slippers for home. That's it for the amenities kit already. Not too much in it, but it looks nice. Here we have the cooperation evidence. Türkiye Milli Komisyonu. Some UNESCO thing. If you want to scan this, scan it here, the QR code. Oh, if I can get it in the frame like this. Yeah, looks nice. Formia. Okay, so overall I have to say I like it. I'm going to try all of these things out, and I'm glad that I could take a look at this. Okay, there's not much more that I can say here. I haven't been on the flight myself, but I'm interested. I'm always interested in that sort of stuff. General, like these amenity kits. I've never received one up until this particular moment. Well, I didn't receive it from the airline, but from somebody else who was very kind to give me this particular kit. Yes. Let me know in the comments if you like this sort of stuff as well, if you find it interesting. It sort of tickles an itch for me, very similar to the MREs that I wanted to take a look at for a long time, but I never really got around to purchasing these for huge prices from across the world. So the only one that I have ever had was from the Bundeswehr, when they still had the cardboard boxes. Now they've changed them to the more American style MRE packages. Yeah, but this one here was a nice first. Let's see if I can get my hands on another one in the not so distant future. Maybe not. Let's see. Okay, this is it for this particular video. If you've got a question or a video suggestion, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, feel free to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope I'm going to see you soon. Until then,